Hello everyone, my name is Jajah. We're gonna make Sago Sweet Sago with coconut milk and corn. And the ingredient that we have today is sago, corn, sugar, salt, and coconut milk. This is all the ingredient that we're gonna make sago, sweet sago with coconut milk and corn. So let's go and make it now. Now we're gonna open the water and we're gonna boil it and put the ingredients in. So if you're gonna boil the water, you need an adult to help you with this. And if you do it by yourself, it's so dangerous. Sometimes you can burn your hand or finger. So we have to wait until it boils, until the water has been boiled. Now the water was bubbling now, so we're gonna put the sago in. You must stir it all the time until it turns into the orange one. If there was no white left. Now it started to turn bubbly and it looks sticky right now. You can see over here it sticks to one another. So now we're gonna put sugar. So, when you put sugar already, you have to put salt. Up in you have to put corn. All of the corn. This is salt and coconut milk. You have to pour it now.
And then stir.
And then stir. Oh my god, look at it. Ah. There's no white in the sago powder anymore. Now that means we are finished. Oh my goodness. Now this is how it looks, and it smells so good and tastes so yummy. I already tasted, and it smell good and with a lot of corn. And this is the real look of sago, the real sago. But the sago that we have that was in color was the only powder that they make it look like a sago. But real look that sago have is like this.
How was it?
Yummy. So yummy. I like it. It tastes so good. Bye bye. Have a nice day.